welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a sneaker review. Today's shoe is going to be the Orange Pearl Dunks, and I'm also showing you guys some other shoes I picked up. So yeah, so we're gonna get into this review. Also, we're gonna have an on foot, of course, at the end of the video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. All right, so the dunks that I have are these Orange Pearl Dunk Lows. I tried to get them on sneakers. Of course, I didn't win the draw. I really hate the draws, but I didn't get them, so I ended up paying resale for these. My shoe plug, Kicks OG, I'll leave a link to their Instagram and their website so you guys can go look on their website and, of course, cop you some shoes. But he found me these and was able to get them for me, so shout out to them. Make sure you follow them. Like I said, I'll leave all their information in the description box. But yeah, I was able to get these, and he was also able to get me the other pair of shoes I'm going to show you guys later in the video. But yeah, y'all, these are so tough. Like, and these are my first pair of dunks, so I'm super excited about these. Super cute. You know, regular dunk, nothing special, but these are special because they're my first pair. But yeah, so the colorway is obviously like this light pastel pink with some white. Has a pink sole. Inside says Nike, and yeah, overall this is a tough shoe. It looks really good on foot. It's a somewhat of a neutral color, so I would say these could be paired with a lot of things, like a lot of other colors too. I feel like they look good with. So I feel like this is a really good shoe for your collection in terms of being able to wear with a lot of things. So yeah, as far as the box is nothing special. It just they came in a regular Nike box, you know, regular Nike box. Yeah. And I got these are women's, so I got them in a women's 7.5, which is a men's 6, and they retailed for $100. Like I said, I paid resale for them, so I ended up paying $300 for these. But I'm not sure what the StockX price is currently with these, like how the prices are looking, but it's probably somewhere in the 300 mark. I'm pretty sure, because when I looked the day after they came out, it was the 300 mark, so I'm pretty sure it's probably still around there for these. But yeah, these are really tough. I can't wait to wear them. Let me know in the comments if you guys cop these too and what you think about them, if you messing with them, if you don't think they're worth the resale value or the resale price. Let me know. The comment section is open for debate. So there is those, and like I said, I will be doing an on foot of these at the end of the video. Now, the other shoe that I copped was a shoe that I've been wearing for a while now that I just never got. Regret not getting it for retail, but nevertheless, I got the shoe. And of course, this is the shoe. These are the Royal Toe ones. Yes, sir, the Royal Toe ones. And like I said, my plug got these for me also, so shout out to them. But yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys are hip to these. You've seen these probably a million times. I bought these used. They were worn once when I got them, so as you can see, they're still clean. I've worn once too, which is why the bottoms are a little dirty, but the bottoms were like super clean when I bought them, so it looked like nobody had even wore them. But as you can see, they still look like brand new, like no marks on them or anything like that. Still in really good condition, so I had to cop. I ended up paying $260 for these just because they were worn once, but brand new on StockX in my size, these are going for about $320, so I saved a little money buying a used pair. But I mean, why not buy a used pair if they look brand new? So the colorway for these is that royal blue with black and white. Nothing special as far as the way they're made like any other ones. But yeah, these are super tough. I had to get them. I'm so excited I got them. They look really good on my feet. I think they look really good on everyone's feet. I feel like ones or shoes just look good on everybody's feet. But yeah, yeah, so I'm super excited to have these, and I'm also super excited to have my dunks. So yeah, y'all, this wasn't too long of a video. I just wanted to get on here and show y'all my new cops. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and your family, your dog, pets, everybody else. And yeah, let's get on to this on foot, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.